Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop.
And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey, gang, Poppy here. I'm testing out this Android as a potential video capture camera. I'm going to turn it around and point it at me. Hi. Do I look okay? I can't tell right now because I'm not looking at the display of what I'm capturing. Hey gang, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room and I've got all my hard work. I think I reinvented the selfie stick. Yeah. So I turn this thing around. And I talk to you while this is eavesdropping. Yeah, this thing here is eavesdropping. As you can see, I just got this thing. I told you in my last video that I've got this. I'm going to try using it to record out in the shop. I want at least 30 minutes record time here. As you can see, hi. That's a bit close. Oh, that's an old joke. Okay, now I'm gonna set this at I need a mirror. Well, I trust you see me. It's got picture. Hi. Okay. I'm gonna
power on. Bluetooth.
Hello. Hello, this is Poppy's workshop. Welcome. We're going to take a dive into technology. Is this thing dancing in response to the sound input? Hello? Hello? Not really. Maybe one or two. It almost looks like a small part of the computer display, front panel display from Voyage to the Bottom of the Sea. Remember that long front panel with those rectangular lights lighting up from behind. Each of them represented some part of the computer doing something.
I just switched it over here. I just thought about it for a moment. Now I said it over there. You know. This gonna do anything?
Previous.
Hello? Hello?
Next.
Next to what? I mean, I was really hoping for some voice changer, you know. Make me sound like something else. But it's just a little echo. How's that? That's just amped. Oh, well. Wasn't what I was thinking it could be. Anyway, my wife paid $20 for this downtown on Saturday. And it was the second of the month, but they had to do 4th of July fireworks on this Saturday because the Chamber of Rip-Off the Tourists, I mean, Chamber of Commerce, clearly can't do it on 4th of July. Because 4th of July is a Saturday. Everyone else does the 4th of July, why can't we? Well, anyway, I'm going to turn this thing off now.
Power off.
Uh-oh. And as you can see, this thing here is, well, simple graphics, like the Roku, wake me up when you want to do something screen, you know, the factory buildings going by like so, and going by a little bit faster, the little ads, you know, this one is 10.0 earthquake, watch free, awesome. You know, what we got here? Oh, yeah. Really? Can't copyright fireworks, can they? Ooh. Ooh. I think I'm going to stop you and watch the Bang Bang Show from St. Louis, Missouri.
I don't like the way this looks.